first of all, this is my third attempt at the Starbucks Mermaid, and the other attempts I've done just weren't really up to par of what I wanted the Starbucks Mermaid to look like, and I didn't think it was really worth your time, it wasn't worth my time, so I just kept trying until I was satisfied, and here we are. Today I'm going to show you how to do the Starbucks logo. In case you're wondering what Haley's pick at Starbucks is the pineapple matcha drink. I love it. I drink it all day. Also, it would mean the world to me if you checked out my new social media platforms on Twitch and TikTok, and I will be doing a whole TikTok off of this too, so make sure you check it out. If you have any suggestions on what videos I should do next, please leave that in the comments below and I will probably read it. Also, if you like this video and you want to see more stuff like this, please hit that like button if you enjoy this video and smack the subscribe button and join the horsepower. Now, no more horsing around, let's get right into the video and let's get started. We're gonna start off by using Madeyewlook's body paint in Yeti and painting everything white. I'm gonna take some gray eyeshadow and start sketching out where my fins are gonna be. I'm gonna kind of aim for the shoulder bones right here. So when I go like this and start moving my arms around, the fins are gonna move as well. That's the plan anyway. So I'm gonna mix green and white paint to make a lighter green and make like those famous stripes that we see on the mermaid tail, except I'm gonna make it kind of like a streaky look, almost like an artsy style. Now take a white NYX jumbo pencil and kind of go over the top of the fin and just kind of blend it out. Redefine where the tail is. Then taking white eyeshadow and blend it in. So it's gonna be like something like very white and then it goes to like more of a kind of matte white. Taking some gray eyeshadow, I'm going to define the breast lines a little bit more because she's a sexy mermaid. With light gray eyeshadow, I'm going to start shading my mermaid scale collar. Just very lightly though. I want it just to be noticeable, just a little bit. So I'm just gonna follow up again with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil like we did with the fins, and I'm gonna be making little highlights on all of the scales. And then I'm gonna follow up with like this kind of, I don't know if this is around anymore, but just like a metallic white pigment. I don't know if you can see that. I took a light green pigment with Mehron's mixing liquid and made this shiny, metallic, pasty thing. And I'm gonna kind of just run it through the scales, kind of like the scales are bleeding green. Last thing I think we're gonna do is take a very light, maybe like a lime color eyeshadow and just slightly shade the very tip of the tail. Going in with kind of like an olive color, I'm going to make a small wing. With a medium green eyeshadow, I'm going to go just a little bit further on the lid. So starting with gray eyeshadow, I'm going to start making a mini version of the choker up here. Up here. I'm highlighting my face with a nice green highlighter. A little pink mixed in. I'm gonna draw in my eyebrows with a dark green body paint. And with green body paint, I'm gonna give myself some green lips. It's totally optional, but you could also use an olive eyeshadow and just darken the edges. Seeing how dark it is up here versus down here, I'm going to add a little bit more dark green on the mermaid stripes. All I have to do now is put some contacts on, put my wig on, and we're done. So I couldn't find the contacts I was looking for. I was looking for some contacts that were green, but a little bit brighter than my eyes. All I have are like the freaky looking creature ones, and I don't want her to be a creature. I want her to be beautiful. So I guess my natural eyes will have to do. But I got my wig on, I got my crown on. I made the crown out of cardstock paper. It's like a pearl color with mermaid scales. I got it from the craft store, and I cut it with my Cricut machine. And the hair I got from Webster wigs, and I added some white extensions to kind of fit the Starbucks look. And enjoy! Oh my gosh, a bird almost flew in here. Ugh.